Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have a cotton and twine box to open. This is the monthly subscription box that I get for cross stitch, and it comes from across the pond. And I love getting it. So let's get this little box open and let's see. They do put plenty of tape. So even when sometimes I get it and it's got like, you know, like the post office has squooshed it and everything, it still has, it stays closed every time. Let's see. Do I have tape on this side? Yes, I do. I think so. Ooh, hello, JB. Watch out, buddy. Mommy has to use scissors. I know, it's terrible. Okay, that side, I think I'm done. Okay. All right, I think that's all I have. Let's see here. I'm saying, I don't know why I don't just like take a black marker and cross out my address every time, because I'm always trying to like keep my address hidden. If I just marked it out, it wouldn't matter. I never take the time. Okay, here we go, Jelly Bean. There it is. We always have that pretty paper. Hold on, buddy. I'm going to turn it this way so that you have more room. So it's very important to make sure that JB has all the room he needs. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Okay, so this is the August box. It says, chicken, lay a little egg for me. Oh my goodness, that's so funny. That's hilarious. Okay, and we always get the pattern in color, and on the other side we have, oops, we have it in black and white if you prefer that. And let's see what they say in here. Okay, it says, welcome to the Cotton and Twine August box. This month's box features the cutest hens. We are a little biased as we love anything hen related, and these two are so sweet. The cross-stitch project has been designed in-house by Historical Sampler Company, and the gorgeous cross-stitch has been mounted on a beautiful red floral fabric. I can't wait. Is that... Oh, I see. It does look like it's Liberty, but I'm not sure. The finished design looks so pretty. We love it, and we hope you do too. The treat this month is super pretty too. A useful pin set. Ah, it's not food. Perfect for making notes on your cross-stitch chart as you work on the design. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at it, at everything in the box. I'm going to set this aside for a second. Okay, so the tea is organic English breakfast tea this month. And here is the pin set. It says, oopsie daisy. So there's a daisy one in it. Hold on, let me take that out of there. It always has that glare. It drives me crazy because y'all can't see it properly. Okay. Oh, that's nice. So one of them is a nice mustard color and the other one has daisies on it. If you can see that. Okay. Get that back in there. Get in there. I have to say though, I was kind of looking forward to a little bit of chocolate. Here's the fabric that you're going to mount it on. And oh, see, I like whenever they do it on the canvas. So we have this piece of canvas to attach it to. And here is our little East of India bag of goodies. Just make sure I'm not missing something. I always do that. Okay. All right, let's get the stuff out. Oh, feels like it's stuck. Oh, it was stuck. What's this? Oh! Okay, I don't know what's going on, but... All right, this, what is this? Hold on. I want to make sure I'm saying everything properly. Okay, so we got the black and white and color charts. This is the Zweigert 16 count Ada. That's like a perfect size. It's not huge. It's not, you know, I love that. We've got the DMC pre-sorted threads. And there's a needle in here somewhere because they always give us a needle. I may have to go search for it because sometimes it falls out of there. But those are the colors for this project. Oh, look, there it is. The needle. We have something sticking to me. Okay. A white stretched canvas to display your project. You saw that. Red floral fabric. I showed you that. A piece of cardboard to mount your design. So I've got actually a couple of pieces of cardboard that we could put it on. A pretty twin pin set from Puckator. I showed you that. This is a double-sided tape to put it on your, to mount it. We have the artisan tea bag. And what they did not mention is the Doisy and Dam, am I saying that right? Doisy and Dam dark chocolate bar with maca, vanilla, and cacao nibs. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong, but honestly, it's chocolate. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's try it. You know I can't not try this. Oh, I got something gooey sticking to my fingernail. I think it has to do with that double-sided tape. Hello. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells yummy. Okay, here we go. Where's the break? Let me look at it. Oh, there is no break. Okay. Oh, that was on my sewing machine. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's got little nibs in there. I know, darling. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Thank you so much for the chocolate. Like, I needed some. I was like, I couldn't wait to open this box. To have some chocolate. Okay. I'm trying to put this away. I can't get it to tuck back in. Okay, that's close enough. Oh my goodness, that is so yummy. Okay. So, once again, you guys having fun? Well, I've got Sammy and Jelly Bean in the cotton and twine box. Okay. Again, look at this lovely fabric that's going to be on the back of it. That's really pretty. And I don't think it's Liberty, but it's still pretty. And once again, here's the colors. And that's everything, right? Yep. And the pin set. Pin set and the tea. So it's always a lovely box. I'm going to put all the information in the description box below and also pinned in the top comment so that you can go and check it out if you'd like to check it out. I do want to say that considering like every single thing that you get, the cost, even coming from the UK, is really not that bad. I mean, I was kind of like skeptical before I started getting this box because I was thinking, oh, you know, I would love to order something from the UK, but, you know, I just felt like probably with shipping and everything else that it would just be too much. And for some people it might be, but I didn't think it was that bad. I mean, you get the Ada, you get the DMC thread, you get a needle every time, you get either a frame or something to mount it on. You always get something like that. and you always have chocolate. Like so far, we've always had chocolate, and I just love that. So, you can always go and click on the playlist that I have. If you go to my main page and go to playlists and find the one for cotton and twine, you can totally go back and see all of the things that I've been getting in every month's box and see, you know, whether or not it's worth it to you. And so I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for coming and watching. I so appreciate and love you. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.